Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'm making coconut shrimp, plus the perfect dip to go with it. I love coconut, so of course this is one of my favorite ways to cook shrimp. To get started, you'll need 1 pound of shrimp. Peel and devein the shrimp if they aren't already. I left the tails on, but you don't have to. Add 1 cup of buttermilk to the shrimp and marinate for up to 4 hours. This makes the shrimp more tender. For the coating, mix 1 cup of unsweetened coconut, or sweetened if you'd like it sweeter, 1 cup of panko, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of pepper. Give this a mix until combined. Add 3/4 a cup of flour to a bowl and coat each shrimp in it. This will help the panko coating stick to the shrimp better. Dip back into the buttermilk, then coat it with the panko and coconut mixture. Make sure every part of the shrimp is coated. After all the shrimps are coated, fry at 350 Fahrenheit until golden brown. This doesn't take long, so keep an eye on it. And if you use sweetened coconut, because of the sugar, it will brown even faster, so just be aware of that. Place on a rack to cool. For the dip, mix 1 tablespoon of chili sauce and 2 tablespoons of apricot jam together. You can adjust this to your liking and add more chili if you prefer it to be more spicy. The sweet and savory combo of the dip pairs very well with the coconut shrimp. These came out so crispy and they stay crispy for a long time. Feng likes to eat them whole, including the tails. It's that crispy. And you can reheat them in the oven later on and they will still be crispy. Give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!